driving down a street. I'm driving down a road. I'm actually on a road.
Okay.
To the left a little. To the left. Yep.
I don't know. Nobody said anything ahead of time. I wasn't even looking.
It's okay. Well,
Me.
it's all right. It's okay.
Okay, so right now we got a very special episode and we're teaching Jodi. Well, I'm not teaching. Aaron is going to be teaching Jodi because I don't speak Jodi. Oh, I'm fluent in it, but I can't communicate well. So
here's the deal. It's time for me to start learning how to drive this rig. I need to drive this rig. And just in case something ever happened to Ron, I need to be able to hop in and us get going. And it's been my goal all along, but he needed to get used to it first. But we talked about getting that going for the season, and I decided to call my friend Erin because Erin has a CDL. She's had it for about 4 years. She drives a school bus. And so who better to teach me than somebody who drives a school bus full of children all the time? She's gonna show me how to drive this. And her dad was a school bus driver too. So
so she's used to dealing with children. And so she's perfect for teaching you.
We're gonna drive around for a while. She's gonna give me all the tips that I need to know on how to drive a big rig like. How long is a bus?
It's 40 feet.
Okay, this is 37.
Okay, with a 5-foot tail swing.
Okay, so I mean,
so this one, actually the tail swing on this, it's a lot larger.
I was gonna say it's a lot longer.
Yeah.
So she's really gonna be helping me out on this one. I'm sure.
Mirrors, mirrors.
That's your number one tip?
Yep.
And 2 and 3.
Always check your mirrors.
And stay in the middle of the road.
Yes.
Or in the middle of the lines. In between lines. I need to stay in between lines.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stay in your lane, bro.
Yep.
And the tail swing is something to really watch for. And I know we're in a parking lot today, and so that's where we're gonna start. We're gonna start in a parking lot so I can learn how to swing. So we'll do that, and then maybe we'll be comfortable enough. We'll go down the road a little bit too. We'll see.
All right. Well, let's fire the beast up, get inside, and pray for the best.
Nail it.
Right now, Aaron got the mirrors set up for Jodi, and I think we're ready to go. I think we are ready to do this thing here.
Let's do this.
Let's get her in drag, yo. When you're taking a left turn, to clear this side around the corner or any obstacle, you want to go out and put your nose to the center of like the lane of where you're turning into, and then start turning.
Okay.
Beautiful. Like when we made that turn and there's the containers right there, that was enough space. Like you cleared that fine with your tail.
So are you going out on the... Where are you going, Jodi?
I'm testing now.
Okay, you're going to run over the curb.
I am?
Yep.
I don't know. Nobody said anything ahead of time. I wasn't even looking. I realized I need to move it. No, I couldn't even
Turn
see
to the right and just...
Back up just a little bit.
I got it.
Back up just a little. We're good. Okay, keep going, keep going.
So I couldn't even see that curb. I still can't because all I can see is the dash. All I can see is the dash.
Yeah, this is in the way for sure.
I need outside. So before we get going here, what are we doing? Jodi, what's the plan?
I'm going to go out there and go off the road.
Okay, so...
Go down the road and then I'm going to go, okay, that's enough. I'm just going straight down the road. That's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to go straight down the road and then I'm going to say, okay, Ron, jump in.
Now, be confident. You got it.
I got it.
Like I said, stop if you
go as fast as what you can see.
Now I'm nervous because it's going to go downhill.
So that's where it breaks.
You got brakes? I'm really nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Yeah, just take it easy.
Now, for example, if it were me, I would do exactly what you're doing. Wait for this car to go, like when I'm in my bus.
I know, but I also worry that somebody's going to be coming down around the corner. So.
No, don't worry about someone coming,
Yep.
you know, behind you or anything. But you know, stop here, even though this is uncontrolled intersection.
Is there somebody behind me?
No. I'm just saying.
I got you.
We always stop it uncontrolled. Like we have to. Like at T's, we pretend that it's a stop sign.
Trees.
Stick your left leg over to the wall if you need to.
Jodi, you have moved to go to the left.
I was practicing staying in my lane, man.
Okay, you weren't. You're in the trees lane.
Don't practice staying in a lane, especially when there's an obstacle. If there's trees, branches, go around.
Okay.
Don't stay in your lane. Use the space you have, whether there's a line or not.
So I think we're gonna.
I'm thinking about turning around here.
Yeah.
There's nobody.
So let's.
I'm good, right?
Yeah, I'm watching the mirror. Or the.
I'm watching everything.
Okay, a little more. Keep cranking it.
You got plenty of room.
And you got.
You're good.
Okay.
Unless you want to keep going.
Nope,
No.
I'm good.
Okay, so let's go a little slower, and just wait for the cars to pass so we don't knock into the trees, and then we're going right back into the church.
Yeah, if you've got low stuff on either side, and you don't want it to hit the top of the home, get over.
Yeah.
I'm just getting over so these guys can get by real quick, and then I'll go back out so we don't hit the trees.
Now we got this truck coming at you.
They can wait. Let them wait.
They'll wait.
Put your blinker on. Blinker.
Are you in that much of a hurry?
Yep, he is.
Okay, now watch your tail swing. You got to crank to the left.
Well, I'm just gonna go through this one more time and then we're done. I might be good. I think I've learned enough for one day. I don't know. I did go on the road.
She did amazing.
After the curb. So we hit a curb in the first 5 minutes. So we're talking, only because the mirrors really weren't where I wanted them. Once we got the mirrors where I wanted, everything was good. And I should have known better.
Yeah. Mainly just don't go anywhere you can't see.
Thank you.
And if you think you're gonna hit something, stop.
Yeah. Oh my God.
She did amazing. Really good for her first time.
I don't know, but
She did.
it was so good to have someone else here.
Oh, it was. I think it was not necessarily an instructor, but a coach or a referee.
A referee, a mediator. We had a mediator with us, and she
translator,
not
mediator.
Only today did Erin teach me a lot about driving a rig this size, but Erin was great with saving our marriage. She saved our marriage today, and I'm so grateful for her to come along and help us do this.
Yeah.
Because even a few times, Erin's known us for
Bus driver, marital counselor.
12 years? I think we're going about 12 years or so. So Erin knew to tell Ronnie, hey Ronnie, don't worry.
Quiet.
Shh. Quiet, Ronnie. And then at one point she said, just listen to me. And then at another point she said, okay, Ron, I think you can go outside and film now.
Yeah, I needed
And then
to.
he's directing and I'm all, don't look at him.
Oh yeah, she just don't look at him, don't listen to what he's telling you, just listen to me. And I don't know how this is going to come out on camera because holy cow. But I want to thank everybody for rambling around with us today. I want to thank Erin for not only rambling around with us from afar, but she actually rambled around with us up front. And we will be doing this probably again. We might have to do this a few times. And I said to her, I'm so glad there were no children in this rig uploading.
Except for the one driving.
Oh my gosh.
Quiet back there.
But thanks again for rambling around with us. I will try to jump in the driver's seat a few more times on the road, maybe, or at least parking and doing a few things just to kind of keep myself going, because you never know.
Yeah,
You never
I think
know.
we need to have some more parking lot time.
Yeah. Thanks again. Hit like, hit subscribe, and follow us. Make sure you subscribe so you can be a rambler. If
Fear makes you
if
crash.
Ron breaks his leg, we're stuck staying in that place until his
No,
leg.
you'll be able to do it. It's just,
Yes.
you know, where it's going to take a long time, but you're going to be able to do it. So, all right.
Thank you again.
You're
Right,
welcome.
cheers.
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 Cheers.